Tomahawk Land Attack Missile. This long-range cruise missile became the primary standoff strike weapon during Operation Epic Fury, delivering precision attacks from naval platforms throughout the Arabian Sea and Mediterranean. The Tomahawk Land Attack Missile was developed by Raytheon in the 1970s to provide the United States Navy with long-range precision strike capability against heavily defended targets. The missile measures 20 feet long with an 8.5-foot wingspan and weighs 3,330 pounds at launch. The turbofan-powered weapon achieves subsonic speeds around 550 miles per hour while flying at low altitudes to evade radar detection. The Tomahawk generates a range exceeding 1,000 miles, allowing ships to strike deep into Iranian territory from positions well outside the range of Iranian coastal defenses. United States Navy Arleigh Burke-class destroyers launched hundreds of Tomahawks during the opening hours of Operation Epic Fury on February 28, 2026. The missiles struck command and control centers, integrated air defense sites, ballistic missile facilities, and Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps headquarters throughout Iran. Each Tomahawk costs approximately $1.3 million. The United States plans to increase annual Tomahawk production to 1,000 units to replenish stocks depleted by operations against Iran. Lucas Drone. This one-way attack drone marked a strategic shift in American warfare, deploying affordable mass production to counter Iranian drone swarms with similar tactics. The low-cost unmanned combat attack system, known as Lucas, was developed by Arizona-based SpectreWorks and modeled directly on Iran's Shahed 136 design. The drone measures approximately 11.5 feet long with an 8-foot wingspan and weighs roughly 110 pounds, including warhead. The electric or gasoline-powered pusher propeller configuration achieves speeds around 115 miles per hour with an operational range exceeding 1,200 miles. The drone costs approximately $35,000 per unit, roughly 1/37th the cost of a Tomahawk cruise missile. United States Central Command's Task Force Scorpion Strike deployed Lucas drones in combat for the first time on February 28, 2026 during the opening strikes of Operation Epic Fury. The drones operated alongside Tomahawk missiles and manned aircraft in layered strike packages designed to saturate Iranian air defenses. The strategy proved effective, with Lucas units contributing to the suppression of Iranian drone production facilities and launch sites. MQ-9 Reaper. This remotely piloted aircraft provided persistent surveillance and precision strike capability throughout Operation Epic Fury, conducting armed reconnaissance missions over Iranian territory. The MQ-9 Reaper was developed by General Atomics in the early 2000s to provide the United States Air Force with a hunter-killer, unmanned aerial vehicle capable of long-endurance operations. The aircraft measures 36 feet long with a 66-foot wingspan and weighs approximately 10,500 pounds fully loaded. A Honeywell TPE 331-10 turboprop engine generating 900 horsepower achieves cruising speeds around 230 miles per hour with operational endurance exceeding 27 hours. The aircraft carries up to 3,750 pounds of munitions, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, GBU-12 Paveway-2 laser-guided bombs, and GBU-38 joint direct attack munitions. United States Air Force MQ-9 squadrons conducted strike and reconnaissance missions throughout Operation Epic Fury beginning February 28, 2026. The Reapers engaged mobile targets including Iranian transporter erector launchers and conducted armed overwatch for Special Operations Forces. Each MQ-9 Reaper costs between $20 and $40 million depending on configuration. JASSM. This stealthy air-launched cruise missile provided fighter aircraft with standoff strike capability against heavily defended Iranian targets without exposing pilots to surface-to-air missile threats. The Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile was developed by Lockheed Martin in the late 1990s to replace aging AGM-86 cruise missiles. The missile measures 14 feet long with a 7.9-foot wingspan when deployed and weighs approximately 2,300 pounds at launch. A Williams International F-107 turbofan engine propels the weapon at high subsonic speeds to ranges exceeding 230 miles for the baseline variant and nearly 600 miles for the extended range JASSM ER version. The missile's stealthy airframe design allows penetration of advanced integrated air defense systems. United States Air Force and Navy aircraft launched JASSM missiles during Operation Epic Fury beginning February 28, 2026. F-15E Strike Eagles, B-1 Lancers, and F-A-18 Super Hornets employed the weapon against Iranian missile production facilities, underground command centers, and protected military infrastructure. Each JASSM costs approximately $1.4 million. B-2 Spirit Stealth Bomber. This strategic stealth bomber delivered massive precision and strike capability during the opening hours of Operation Epic Fury, penetrating Iranian airspace undetected to attack critical leadership in nuclear facilities. The B-2 Spirit was developed by Northrop Grumman in the 1980s as the United States Air Force's premier strategic penetrating bomber. The flying wing aircraft measures 69 feet long with a 172-foot wingspan and weighs approximately 336,600 pounds maximum takeoff weight. Four General Electric F-118-GE-100 turbofan engines achieve maximum speeds around 630 miles per hour, with operational ranges exceeding 6,000 miles unrefueled. The aircraft's revolutionary low observable design provides radar cross-sections comparable to small birds rather than large aircraft. The B-2 carries up to 40,000 pounds of precision-guided munitions, including 80 joint direct attack munitions or 16 bunker-penetrating massive ordnance penetrators. United States Air Force B-2 bombers struck Iran during the opening salvos of Operation Epic Fury on February 28, 2026, targeting leadership compounds, underground command facilities, and suspected nuclear weapons development sites. Each B-2 Spirit costs over $2 billion, including development costs. B-1 Lancer. This heavy strategic bomber provided massive conventional payload capacity during Operation Epic Fury once American forces achieved air superiority over Iranian airspace. The B-1 Lancer was developed by Rockwell International in the 1970s as a supersonic strategic bomber, later converted to conventional weapons delivery. The swept-wing aircraft measures 147 feet long, with a variable geometry wingspan ranging from 79 feet fully swept to 137 feet fully extended. Four General Electric F-101-GE-102 turbofan engines achieve maximum speeds exceeding Mach 1.2 with operational ranges approaching 6,000 miles. The aircraft carries up to 75,000 pounds of conventional munitions in 3 internal weapons bays, the largest payload capacity of any American bomber. United States Air Force B-1 squadrons began operations over Iran once coalition forces degraded Iranian air defenses sufficiently. The bombers conducted strikes from the continental United States beginning approximately 1 week into Operation Epic Fury, delivering massive tonnages against Iranian missile production facilities and military bases. Each B-1 Lancer costs approximately $283 million. F-35 Lightning II. This fifth-generation stealth fighter provided the United States with multi-role strike capability, combining low observability with advanced sensors and precision weapons delivery. The F-35 Lightning II was developed by Lockheed Martin beginning in the late 1990s as a joint strike fighter to replace aging F-16, Fighting Falcons, A-10 Thunderbolts, and F/A-18 Hornets. The single-engine aircraft measures 51 feet long with a 35-foot wingspan and weighs approximately 70,000 pounds maximum takeoff weight. A Pratt & Whitney F-135 turbofan engine generating 43,000 pounds thrust achieves maximum speeds exceeding Mach 1.6 with combat radius approaching 670 miles. Advanced avionics include the AN/APG-81 active electronically scanned array radar and distributed aperture system providing 360-degree situational awareness. The F-35 carries up to 18,000 pounds of weapons including AIM-120 air-to-air missiles, AIM-9X sidewinders, and joint direct attack munitions. United States Air Force F-35A and Navy F-35C variants conducted strikes throughout Operation Epic Fury beginning February 28, 2026. The aircraft attacked integrated air defense sites, command facilities, and military infrastructure. Each F-35 costs approximately $80 million. F/A-18 Super Hornet. This carrier-based multi-role fighter provided the United States Navy with the primary strike capability from aircraft carriers operating in the Arabian Sea and Mediterranean during Operation Epic Fury. The F/A-18 Super Hornet was developed by McDonnell Douglas, later Boeing, in the 1990s as an enlarged and improved version of the original F/A-18 Hornet. The twin-engine aircraft measures 60 feet 9 inches long with a 44-foot wingspan and weighs approximately 66,000 pounds maximum takeoff weight. Two General Electric F-414-GE-400 turbofan engines achieve maximum speeds exceeding Mach 1.8 with combat radius approaching 450 nautical miles. The Super Hornet carries up to 17,750 pounds of weapons, including AIM-120 air-to-air missiles, AGM-88 HARM anti-radiation missiles, and joint standoff weapons. United States Navy F/A F-18E/F squadrons, operating from USS Abraham Lincoln and USS Gerald R. Ford, conducted intensive strike operations throughout Operation Epic Fury, beginning February 28, 2026. The aircraft attacked Iranian coastal defenses, naval vessels, air defense sites, and military installations. Each F-18 Super Hornet costs approximately $70 million. F-22 Raptor. This air superiority fighter established and maintained American dominance over Iranian airspace through its combination of stealth, speed, and advanced sensors. The F-22 Raptor was developed by Lockheed Martin and Boeing in the 1990s as the United States Air Force's premier fifth-generation air superiority fighter. The twin-engine aircraft measures 62 feet 1 inch long with a 44-foot 6-inch wingspan and weighs approximately 83,000 pounds maximum takeoff weight. Two Pratt & Whitney F119-PW-100 turbofan engines with thrust vectoring achieve maximum speeds exceeding Mach 2.25 with supercruise capability. The aircraft's revolutionary stealth design incorporates carefully shaped surfaces, internal weapons bays, and advanced radar-absorbent materials. The F-22 carries 6 AIM-120 air-to-air missiles and 2 AIM-9 Sidewinders internally, plus joint direct attack munitions for ground attack missions. United States Air Force F-22 squadrons established air superiority over Iran during Operation Epic Fury, beginning February 28, 2026. Each F-22 Raptor costs approximately $150 million. HIMARS/ATACMS. This mobile rocket artillery system provided the United States Army with long-range precision strike capability against Iranian targets from forward positions in Allied territories. The M142 high-mobility artillery rocket system was developed by Lockheed Martin in the late 1990s to provide rapidly deployable rocket artillery on a wheeled chassis. The system mounts on a 5-ton family of medium tactical vehicles truck weighing approximately 35,000 pounds. The launcher carries a single 6-pack pod of guided rockets or one Army Tactical Missile System pod. The ATACMS missile delivers a 500-pound high-explosive fragmentation warhead to ranges exceeding 190 miles. United States Army HIMARS batteries deployed to allied Gulf states conducted strikes against Iranian targets during Operation Epic Fury, beginning February 28, 2026. The systems engaged Iranian missile launchers, command posts, ammunition depots, and radar installations across western Iran. Each HIMARS launcher costs approximately $5.1 million, with ATACMS missiles costing approximately $1.7 million each. PrSM. This next-generation surface-to-surface missile saw its first combat employment during Operation Epic Fury, representing the United States Army's newest long-range precision strike capability. The Precision Strike Missile was developed by Lockheed Martin beginning in 2015 as the replacement for the aging Army Tactical Missile System. The missile measures 13 feet long, weighs just under 3,000 pounds, and features advanced propulsion and guidance systems. The weapon utilizes a dual-pulse solid rocket motor, providing ranges exceeding 310 miles, nearly doubling the reach of ATACMS. The PrSM launches from standard HIMARS and M270 multiple launch rocket system platforms, with each pod carrying 2 missiles. United States Army rocket artillery units fired PrSM missiles in combat for the first time during Operation Epic Fury, beginning February 28, 2026. The weapons engaged high-value targets deep inside Iranian territory, including command facilities, air defense radars, and mobile missile launchers. Each PrSM missile costs approximately $2 million. F-35I Adir. This Israeli variant of the F-35 Lightning II achieved the first air-to-air kill by an F-35 in combat history during Operation Epic Fury, demonstrating both the aircraft's capabilities and Israeli air superiority. The F-35I Adir was developed specifically for the Israeli Air Force with unique Israeli-designed systems, including electronic warfare suites, weapons interfaces, and communications equipment. The designation Adir translates to mighty in Hebrew, reflecting Israeli customization of the American stealth fighter platform. The aircraft maintains the same basic airframe as the American F-35A variant, measuring 51 feet long with a 35-foot wingspan. Israeli modifications include indigenous mission computers, external fuel tanks, and compatibility with Israeli-produced weapons, including Python air-to-air missiles. Israeli Air Force F-35I squadrons conducted strikes against Iranian targets during Operation Epic Fury, beginning February 28, 2026. On March 1st, an Israeli F-35I achieved the historic first air-to-air kill by an F-35 when it shot down an Iranian Yak-130 combat aircraft over Tehran. Each F-35 I cost approximately $110 million, including Israeli modifications. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop a comment. See you on the next one.